Hey everybody, how you doing? In this video, I quickly want to show you an advanced ab workout you can do right there at home. Now, what we're going to do is you will do 3 to 5 sets depending on your own fitness level. And you're going to do straight leg raises all the way toes to the top of the bar. And then you're going to do as many as you can to failure. And then when you can't take it all the way to the top anymore, you bring it halfway up and you do a hanging L sit to failure. Once you've completed that is one set all done. And then once again, you try to do 3 to 5 sets. So let me quickly show you one set so you know exactly what to do. Now, I'm going to pull myself up to give myself more space to do this workout. If you have a higher pull-up bar, you can just do a dead hang. So don't worry about that. So what I'm going to do is just a neutral position, and then I'm going to get myself up to here. Okay, if I dead hang, my feet will touch the ground and I can't do the exercise. So get myself up here, and then we do straight leg raises. Okay, 1, controlled, 2, 3, and then let's say you can't do any more, you bring it up here and you do a hanging L sit to failure. Okay, and you just hold it there, bang. Okay, until you can't, and that is one set all done. You will then give yourself at least 30 seconds rest, up to a minute if you need that, and then you will do 3 to 5 more sets. Now let me quickly show you an easier variation if you can't do a straight leg raise or a hanging L sit, okay? The only thing you're gonna do is you're gonna bend your knees. So you get in the same position, and then you will do as many normal knee raises, and then when you're done, you will just hold it there for as long as you can, and boom. That's your workout all done. So there you go, guys. A little bit more advanced, but if normal crunches and things like that just isn't doing it for you more, and you have a pull-up bar, you can try this one out. As always, if you enjoyed this video, guys, please click on that like button. If you do this workout, let me know in the comment section how you get on. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe today. And if you enjoy these kind of home workouts, don't forget to go and download your 100% free copy of my big book of home workouts, where I provide you with over 100 of my most powerful and most effective home workouts of all time. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.